Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and you can check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel if you trade on other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY and others. So let's get started. As we all know, there was a huge rally on all the euro pairs and pound pairs after the news. And what was the news? ECB and Bank of England talked about rate hikes by this year, and it was more than anticipated, okay, more than expected according to their present monetary policy. As a result, there was a sharp rise on all the euro pairs. Just look at the massive rally here. Okay, honestly speaking, when euro became very volatile and it came down to the support level of 1.1280. Remember, I yesterday I talked about this level, that we have a minor support here and possibility of a bounce. When the euro USD came down to this level, okay, I was just watching the chart and I was not convinced. Okay, I was simply thinking whether I should be taking a buy position or not. But as the market was very volatile, I did not do anything. Okay, and after that, market formed this candle, and I could not believe my own eyes what happened. And as I just said, ECB and Bank of England, okay, they decided, not decided, they talked about rate hikes by this year, okay, and it was more than expected according to their present monetary policy. So this happened, and as a result, we saw this on DXY. This is a daily chart, and this is our beloved 4 hours chart. There was a sharp sell on all the dollar pairs. So this is the present scenario right now. Remember last Saturday I talked about that DXY is moving in a swings. So right now we can see that DXY has surprisingly completed the swing in a very short period of time. Okay, I told you that it may take around 7 to 8 days, but we can see that within a 1 week, within 3 4 days only, DXY has completed the swing. And right now DXY is just standing at the swing or support here. But we have NFP coming up today, NFP, another market driving crazy event. Okay, so and right now people are expecting that NFP will be weak, but I'll say that until and unless the news comes out, do not predict the market, because market is very unpredictable. Okay, so let the news come out, and just watch whether DXY respects this level or not. Okay, if DXY respects this level and bounces, well and good, we will get to know that yes, it means that the swings on the DXY is still valid. Okay, that we talked about yesterday. But on the other hand, if we see that NFP is really bad and DXY is crashing again, then keep in mind the psychological support of 95 will not work, because there will be heavy selling on the market. Okay, in that case, market may test 94.60 to 94.70 level, and there is a possibility that market will try to hold the level and bounce. If market fails, if DXY dollar fails to hold the support, then yes, there will be sharp selling, fresh selling on the market, and I don't know what will happen. I'll be discussing them tomorrow, but as of now, DXY is just standing at a very crucial support from the daily chart. Let's see whether it holds the level or not. Okay, and if it breaks also, we have 94.60 to 94.70 as support. Okay, now let's talk about Euro USD here. Seriously, I regret missing the move here. I should have taken a buy position here. Anyways, right now market is trading here at 1.146. So this is the current market price here. And honestly, if I take a buy position here, then obviously I do not have any proper logic here. Okay, because the right now market is overpriced and my risk to reward ratio is obviously not in my favor. because if I take a buy here, then I do not have any proper level to set my stop loss. Okay, I do not have any proper level to set my stop loss, and as you can see that here we have a resistance 1.11480. No, sorry. Yeah, this is better now. Okay, so we have a resistance at 1.1480 level. Okay, so our risk to reward ratio is not enough in our favor. So we have a very, if we just go by the chart here, then we have a very small upside and unlimited downside. So taking a buy position is out of the question right now because market is overpriced. Secondly, okay, in this market, okay, in this market, do you think that it is an ideal position to take a sell position? No, not at all. If market, okay, if later on, if market reverses from this resistance level, then we can take a sell position. That's a different chapter. But as of now, market has not entered the sell zone yet, so be careful. Okay, so market has not entered the resistance zone, sellers zone yet, so do not think about shorting the market. Watch the market, observe the market, and just see where the market is moving, where the market is heading. If, but yes, by next week there is a possibility that market may be going down. Okay, market may be going down for some correction, because if we look at the overall, okay, overall chart of euro usd here, then we can see that euro usd is in downtrend. This happened because of the event news, but yes, there may be some correction again by next week. Okay, so this resistance will be very important for euro usd, and during the nfp event it will be very important to watch euro usd whether it breaks this resistance or not. Okay, if it fails to break the resistance, then by next week we can hope that there will be some correction on the euro usd, and it will also be important for dollar dxy to hold the present support. So things are very critical right now, and observing the market is very essential. And if you look at the currency strength meter here, then obviously euro is very strong and dollar is very weak. And as the day will pass, okay, I think this may change a bit. Okay, euro should calm down a little, because this much hotness is not good for the market. Okay, I have a very small sell position on euro jpy. Okay, I think that we have a small downside on Euro JPY, but right now my position is in loss. Okay, but yes, I'm still very much hopeful that yes, there may be some downside. Okay, I have just a small lot of 0.05. Okay, because see, in this market condition, I generally do not trade because I have many bad experiences, not good, bad experiences of news trading. Okay, so I do not trade. And if you love to trade on news, then I'll suggest you that you can follow my policy. Okay, I believe that every trader should have two accounts. He should maintain two accounts. One serious account, serious and disciplined account. Okay, and the second account should be your crazy account. Okay, so in the serious account, okay, in a serious account you should be trading for your livelihood, for the whatever you do, you should be following proper discipline. You should only trade when the opportunity is right, etc. It's all the good stuff. Okay, in the serious account. But yes, we human beings are emotional human beings, we are greedy human beings. So always keep your balance very low. Okay, I have a account balance of around $200 only in this account. Okay, so in the crazy account you can do whatever you want. So I have taken a small sell position on euro jpy on the crazy account here. So my dear friends, okay, during the nfp also, if you have two accounts, only trade from the crazy account, not from the serious account. Okay, that's a personal tip. Bye bye, take care.